Turn on these powerful anti-theft and privacy settings to upgrade your Samsung's defense to military-grade protection. First, open your settings, go to Lock Screen, and tap Secure Lock Settings. Change Auto Lock when screen turns off to Immediately. This completely eliminates any security delay, shutting down the windows of opportunity for anyone trying to access your device the second the screen goes dark. Right below that, toggle on Lock Instantly with Side Key. This ensures that pressing the physical power button enforces hardware-level locking with absolutely zero software lag. Next, enable Auto Factory Reset. This acts as a native self-destruct mechanism for your data. If a bad actor attempts to guess your PIN 20 times, your phone automatically initiates a clean wipe to secure your identity. Now, make sure Lock Network and Security is turned on. This prevents a thief from pulling down your quick panel to disable Wi-Fi or mobile data, keeping your device pinned to the network so you can track it. Finally, in this menu, enable Show Lockdown Mode option. This adds a nuclear option to your power menu that instantly kills all biometric authentication and hides notification details, forcing a manual passcode entry if you are ever compromised or sleeping. Let us secure your offline tracking. Go back to Security and Privacy, tap Lost Device Protection, and select Find My Mobile. Toggle on Allow this phone to be found and enable Send Last Location. This broadcasts your device's final coordinate to Samsung's network right before the battery dies completely. Now tap Offline Finding and switch it on. This connects your phone to a massive crowdsourced tracking mesh, allowing nearby Galaxy devices to ping your encrypted location via Bluetooth, even if your phone has no internet or cellular reception. To maximize this, toggle on Encrypt Offline Location and set up your personal 6-digit PIN. This implements end-to-end encryption, meaning not even Samsung can decipher your location history without your passcode. Let us deploy your real-time anti-theft shields. Go back to Lost Device Protection and enter Theft Protection. Toggle on Theft Detection Lock. This utilizes internal motion sensors and AI to instantly lock your screen if someone snatches your phone from your hand and runs. Right below it, turn on Offline Device Lock. If a thief cuts your network or drops your device into an isolation box to block tracking, your phone locks itself automatically to protect your active apps. Next, tap Identity Check and hit Continue. This enforces strict biometric validation, meaning a thief who knows your lock screen PIN still cannot change your sensitive security settings or passwords without your actual fingerprint. To make your life easier, hit the plus icon at the top right to add your home or work. This ensures that when you are in your trusted zones, you will not be constantly interrupted by biometric checks, but the second you step outside, your phone goes into maximum lockdown mode. Now, back out and make sure Remote Lock is enabled. This allows you to lock down your screen from any browser using just your phone number on this dedicated portal, bypassing the need for a Google login during an emergency. For maximum security, pair this with an eSIM. Since it cannot be physically removed, it keeps this remote feature active even if a thief steals your phone. To seal the final deep loopholes, go back to Security and Privacy and open more security settings. Toggle on Block USB connections while locked. This acts as a shield against juicejacking, completely blocking malicious public chargers or laptops from extracting your data while allowing standard power delivery. Lastly, turn on Inactivity Restart. If your phone stays locked and unused for 72 hours, it triggers a hard, cold boot. This flushes your encryption keys from the volatile memory, hardening your device against sophisticated government or forensic cracking tools. Share this video with a Samsung user who needs to upgrade their phone game. And follow for more Samsung security tips.